this video, we are about to discuss Class 6, Term 1, Unit 3, Matter Around Us, Book Back Questions and Answers. Second Roman letter, state whether the following statements are true or false. If false, give the correct statement. So we have to say whether the sentence is true or false. And if we give the answer false, we have to give them a correct statement why the given statement is wrong. First one, air is not compressible. The answer is false because air is highly compressible. So the air only we can compress, so that is a wrong statement. So the answer is false and the correct statement is air is highly compressible. Second one, liquid has no fixed volume but have fixed shape. We know that a liquid has fixed volume and it takes the shape of the container. So the answer is false. Liquid have fixed volume but have no fixed shape. Third one, particles in solids are free to move. False. The answer is false because we know the particles in solid, they cannot move freely because they are tightly packed. So the answer is false. The correct statement is both the sentence which is given in the reason are right. So the answer is false. Fourth one, when pulses are washed with water before cooking, the water is separated from them by the process of filtration. Answer is false. When pulses are washed with water before cooking, the water is separated from them by the process of decantation. So the lighter impurities will be floating on the water. We will be pouring that water after sedimentation. So that process is called as decantation. Filtration, it is the process of separating solid from liquid. So that is not the correct answer. The answer is false. Fifth one, strainer is a kind of sieve which is used to separate a liquid from solid. The answer is true. Yes, strainer is the one which we use to filter the tea. Okay, so that is also a kind of sieve. It is also used to separate liquid from solid. Grain and husk can be separated by winnowing. The answer is true. Yes, the grain and husk can be separated by winnowing. So the collected grain, after threshing, they will be collecting the grain and from a height they will be dropping it down. That method is called winnowing. So in that method, the grain and husk, they can be separated. Seventh one, air is a pure substance. The answer is false. We know air is a mixture, so that is false. Air is a mixture of gases. Eighth one, butter from curds is separated by sedimentation. The answer is false because the process is churning. So false, butter from curd is separated by churning.
If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.